Muthoni wa Mukiri na ũrĩa warĩ mũmemerekia wa Inooro TV no agĩcoka akiuma na akĩingĩra ũhoro-inĩ wa mental health, wellness and awareness na life coaching. Nĩaremetwo kũhitha gĩkeno gĩake, na ũũ nĩ thutha wake gũkorwo akĩonio wendo wa mwanya na oho kwĩgwatĩra ũhotani wa mwanya mũno. Arũmĩrĩri ake more so the women nĩmarakorirwo makĩmuonia wendo wa mwanya mũno na gũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra nake. Muthoni wa Mukiri arabangĩte event ya self awareness women's workshop ĩrĩa ĩratabanagio mwena wa the Emory Hotel hosted by Muthoni wa Mukiri, na she did this for the love of self awareness, women empowerment, and basically helping women to become more self-aware and to gain more confidence. Na nĩ event Muthoni wa Mukiri arakoretwo akĩmĩgathĩrĩria mũno na mafans ake matinamũconora, maraumĩra na njĩra nene mũno till the event sold out, the tickets sold out. Na Muthoni wa Mukiri aihũrĩtwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩnene mũno, couldn't hide her joy and excitement nĩ kuonia ũrĩa her fans marakorirwo makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno support na attend Muthoni's mission, the self-awareness women's workshop. Now she took to her social media pages to personally thank everyone who saw to it that the workshop was a success, everyone who bought a ticket, everyone who booked, and everyone who attended. Na oho sharing the good news that her women's workshop sold out. Akiuga, we are totally sold out for tomorrow's workshop. God is always faithful. See you tomorrow, ladies. For the men who paid for their sisters, friends, and wives, you have a special place in heaven. For those who wanted to attend but were unable to, don't worry. There's always a next time. And it was such an honor for her show to have sold out in such a great way. Na wana mafans ake nĩmarakenire mũno nĩ event ĩno, na oho kũnyitanĩra Muthoni wa Mukiri gũkũngũĩra ũhotani ũyũ wake. Chege akiuga, Eish, wow, I'm happy for you. Onake Diana akiuga, alililili, see you tomorrow coach, congratulations, hayawi huwa. Onake Saba Patricia akiuga, my coach nakupenda. Muthoni wa Mukiri akareply akiuga, onake mũrata waku mũno wa Muthoni wa Mukiri Ticha Wanjiku, onake akiuga, yeye. Onake Nyakinyo wa Kang'ethe akiuga, go impact, you are doing a great job. Na nĩma Muthoni wa Mukiri has been dedicating herself to self-awareness and also women empowerment. Now having sold out in this event was a big win for her. Onake ndanoya ũndũ ũyũ no hũthũ, na congratulations kurike. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.